Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. The BSNL fast-tracks 4G deployment. Over 96,000 sites now active across India's state-run Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited (BSNL) has achieved a significant milestone by activating over 96,000 4G sites nationwide. Supported by government initiatives, the expansion is gaining rapid momentum, particularly in rural and underserved regions. Utilizing a completely indigenous 4G stack developed in collaboration with TCS and C.E, BSNL aims to reach 100,000 sites shortly. This strategic rollout is designed to bridge the digital divide and provide a robust, homegrown alternative to private telecom operators while laying the groundwork for a future 5G transition. WhatsApp is developing guest chats to enable messaging. Without the app, Meta is reportedly working on a guest chats feature for WhatsApp, allowing users to communicate with people who do not have the app installed. This move aims to comply with the European Union's Digital Markets Act (DMA), which mandates interoperability between major messaging platforms. Through a simplified web-based interface, guests can join conversations via a secure link without creating a full account. This significant shift lowers barriers for one-off communications and business interactions, potentially transforming WhatsApp into a more open and universal messaging ecosystem. Apple launches AirPods Max 2 in India, H2 chip and improved ANC for R67. 900. Apple has officially released the AirPods Max 2 in India, featuring the powerful H2 chip for significantly enhanced audio processing. The new model offers up to twice the active noise cancellation in ANC capability compared to its predecessor, alongside a refined transparency mode and personalized spatial audio. Transitioning to USB-C charging, the headphones also introduce a fresh palette of colors and improved battery efficiency. Priced at Rs 6,900, the AirPods Max 2 targets the premium segment, combining high-fidelity sound with seamless ecosystem integration for Apple users. Motorola Razr 7D preview. Charging upgrades and familiar specs revealed. Leaked details for the upcoming Motorola Razr 7D suggest a blend of subtle refinements and familiar hardware. The most notable upgrade is a shift to 45W wired fast charging, a significant boost over the previous model's 30W limit. However, other core specifications, including the Snapdragon 6 Gen 2 chipset and the dual camera setup, appear largely unchanged from the Razr 60. This strategy suggests Motorola is focusing on refining user convenience and battery efficiency while maintaining a competitive price point in the growing foldable market. Motorola Poco X8 Pro Max series price and specs leaked ahead of India. Launch leaked details for the upcoming Poco X8 Pro Max series suggest a powerful addition to the mid-range segment. The lineup will reportedly feature a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a 1.5K AMOLED display with a 104Hz refresh rate, and a massive 6,000 mAh battery supporting 120W fast charging. Pricing in India is expected to start around $34,999, targeting performance-oriented users. With a triple camera setup led by a 50-MP primary sensor, the series aims to deliver flagship-level hardware at a competitive price point to dominate the value flagship market. Vijay Sales unveils Gudi Padwa special sale. Up to 60% off on top electronics, Vijay Sales has launched its Gudi Padwa festive sale, offering massive discounts of up to 60% across a wide range of electronics and home appliances. Customers can find significant price cuts on smartphones, laptops, smartwatches, and large appliances like air conditioners and refrigerators. The sale also features attractive bank offers, including instant discounts and no-cost EMI options to enhance affordability. This festive campaign aims to provide value-driven shopping experiences for consumers looking to upgrade their technology and household essentials during the auspicious Marathi New Year. Vijay Today's AI tool is AI Search Watcher, Mango's advanced LLM rank tracker. AI Search Watcher by Mango's is a specialized tool designed for generative engine optimization (GEO). It monitors brand visibility across 6 major AI platforms, including ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. To ensure accuracy, the tool runs prompts 5 times, averaging results to provide reliable visibility scores and citation data. Features include automated prompt suggestions and direct competitor benchmarking. Backed by Mango's trusted reputation and affordable tiered pricing, it helps brands understand how they are cited and described in the evolving landscape of AI-generated search answers. Today, our lead story is about NVIDIA unveils NemoClaw, a game changer for enterprise AI agent development. NVIDIA has introduced NemoClaw, a powerful open-source framework designed to help businesses build and deploy autonomous AI agents. Part of the NVIDIA Nemo platform, NemoClaw allows developers to create agents capable of executing complex, multi-step workflows across various enterprise software tools. By providing a standardized environment for agentic AI, it simplifies the integration of large language models into existing business operations. This move aims to accelerate corporate AI adoption, offering a scalable, secure, and efficient infrastructure for creating next-generation digital workers that can automate professional tasks. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to upcharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice.